guys, I'm gonna hmm, oh, okay, I'm not still done yet. Little bit, this is alright. I can almost down on my nails. Look, because my nails so long today. It's time to get my another one. My another one has dirt. Look, this is dirt. Ouch. Despacito. Así que eres despacito. Despacito. Oh, getting off. Oh my gosh. My brother's noisy again. Wait, I'm gonna teach them a lesson. Did you hear my said at my little brother? I hate them. I wish they were not. I wish I was the only child because they are annoying. Ouch. my gosh, they're already putting their noises right now. They are very annoying. Um, God, I get us. Tomorrow we have a school. And I don't know something that I thought I mean at that part then I'm gonna show you what am I gonna going to go to school. Okay? Gonna show it for you. And then mm, and I'm gonna put this back on. And this high? I mean not high. Because I'm big. I'm not sitting at the chair. I'm just sitting at the ground. Just standing here. Okay, I'm just gotta get it. Um, I get it. And let's talk with the more things I do. There is something obviously about what was this about? I let me show you my fountain. You know how? And I'm gonna tell you my another guess. And something ridiculous, but I know how to tie my hair or something design this. Bye. It's very long time.